हेलो ऑल। हेलो ऑल। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज निर्मल and my YouTube channel name is Nirmal Technical. So once again, welcome back to my channel Nirmal Technical. So guys, this is the fourth tutorial of my Jenkins series where I am going to share with you the demo project of Jenkins. So guys, before starting this tutorial, I would like to say you all, if you have not subscribed to my channel till, and of course, if you think that somehow in this YouTube channel, from this YouTube channel, you are learning something, and it is like helping you to learn skills. So please like to my videos and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So guys, today agenda is demo project and the use of Jenkins tools actually. In previous last two tutorials, I shared with you Jenkins tool setup on a cloud server as well as on a container platform. I hope you really enjoyed this both sessions. So moving forward, this is the fourth session where I will share with you the demo project. Okay, so today agenda is about a demo project, and I mean that the use of Jenkins tools, how we can use the Jenkins tool, that is CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous delivery. So friend, one more thing before starting this tutorial, uh, I would like to share with you. I have already set up a Jenkins on a Ubuntu server. Because of it takes some time, so I thought, because I have already covered the setup of Jenkins on a server in last two tutorials. So if anyone of you want to know that the process of implementation of Jenkins on a server, of course, uh, on my same Jenkins reach, you can go through that tutorials second and third part of this reach, and you can see whole complete process in very easy way. So let's start. So as you know, you are seeing right now this is a Ubuntu server, but this is actually a desktop interface server. So it is looking like a computer system, or you can say that desktop. Okay, as usual we do on a Windows platform, but this is a VM which is running on host server. Okay, it is a Ubuntu server, but actually this is a VM virtual machine and a virtual box which I have done, which I have set up. So first what I did, I actually created a VM on a virtual box using a ISO file of Ubuntu server. But I took ISO file as a desktop interface, as a desktop. So that's the reason it's looking like a computer system desktop interface. It's not only the actually server, it is also a desktop version, you can say. Okay. So friends, Let me open that Ubuntu terminal. So you can see here it's a terminal. Either you, I can also type to search terminal. So terminal. So terminal. Okay. Now I have opened that terminal. So as I told you, I already set up a Jenkins on this Ubuntu server. So if you want to guys see that either the Jenkins is running or not, so the simple that process is that is command systm systemctl Jenkins status. Sorry, actually I fired that wrong command. The correct command is systemctl status then Jenkins. That is the service which I want to see that either it is running or not. Yeah, you can see the simply the status of that Jenkins service. So friends, you guys will able to see that it is active and running. Okay, now let me clear the screen. Friends, if you guys remember this Jenkins service is running, but I want to access this Jenkins on a browser. So how we can access this? So probably I trust that most of you know, because if you went through my previous sessions, of course you will have the understanding that how it can be accessed on a web browser. But of course I will tell you again. So let me first see the IP of this server. So as you know, on Linux platform, if you want to see the IP configuration of the server at least, so there is a command IP address. So I will take this one, copy of this IP and let me open this browser. So guys, now it's acting as a desktop version. That means you can copy and open. It is not just like only the terminal base. It is also a desktop version. Hope you are getting what I am trying to tell you. Okay. So let me paste the copy from here in this search bar browser and then colon 8080 because Jenkins run by default and port number 8080. Okay. Enter. Now it, it is asking to put that username and password. So I have already set up all kind of uh, configuration that username password. So username of course you will able to see. Oh, okay, not now. So now I have accessed that Jenkins tool over the on the browser. Welcome to Jenkins. You can see this is my name actually, Nirmal. I would once I was doing a setup Jenkins tool. That time I defined as a name Nirmal. That's why it is showing here Nirmal. Okay. Now that that I will show you that what is the agenda that is the demo project. Okay. Once you guys will be open that Jenkins on a browser, so it looks like such a interface. Is the new item, build history, manage Jenkins, my views, welcome to Jenkins. This page is where your Jenkins jobs will be displayed. To get started, you can set up distributed builds or start building a software project. Okay, so basically it is written here as this is a welcome page of Jenkins, and where from you or anyone who will are using that Jenkins can start a work on this platform simply like creating a job and etc. Okay, so today, as I told you, I will create a simply a two demo project. So for this one, need to click on this one new item. Okay, so here it like the agenda is start mainly from here. So need to click here on new item. I will put here the name of this project. So my first demo project. Okay, and you can see here that it is a freestyle project. I will not see today. I am going to share with you a simple and demo project, simply freestyle project. Okay, I'm not using it a pipeline because I will not use a SCM, that is source code management. I will just create a simple project. So let me click on that here freestyle project. Then if just you whatever you want to write the name of project, you can put here. You can do the same here. Then you have to there are so many options according based on your requirement and based on your meanwhile that in your requirement. So I selected as a freestyle project, and once you select any one of this option freestyle project pipeline, then the OK will be highlighted. So I have to click on this one. Now it is description. So simply I will also write here like this is my first demo project on Jenkins. Whatever you want to write here, you can. Okay. Now let me scroll down. I will not touch any one of this option, but yes, each and every option having itself uses. So the main thing is what I just earlier told you, that is source code management. So once you click on here Git, so this comes now CI/CD pipeline because a developer you can say the code is placed on a Git repository actually. But as I told you, this is my simple demo project, so I will not use this one Git. I will keep as a none. Okay. Now build trigger leave that, and as well build environment leave that. I need to go here build steps, and I will select as a because here it is there is option build steps. Okay, not setup. Sorry, it is build steps. So there are so many options that execute Windows batch command, execute shell. So this is a Linux platform. So I will take as a execute shell. Once you will select this execute shell, so it is asking to the command which you want to run on the server, Linux server Jenkins. Okay, so I will write down here some command which I want to be execute on a server, Linux server with help of this Jenkins tools. Okay, no worry, I will show you everything. Okay, so first of all, let's suppose unshell script. Unshell, I want to run a command ls, that is list of contents. Then I want to run one more command, that present working directory, a print working directory. So I want to run these two commands, but it will, I'm going to do the same with help of Jenkins. Okay, apply and save. Now, once you've done it, you will be able to see, if you go on the dashboard, there is one project, my first demo project. So either you can click here and you can run this now, build now, that means it will be executed. If you want to configure, if you want to delete project, so you can do the same, you can delete here. So this is my first project. Okay, so now I will click on the build now and it will be run. Okay, once you click on that, our first project, I mean to say that the project, so you can see here it is showing in green success. That means this project has been successfully implemented. Now go from these option and let me take this one, workspace. Wait. Okay, so let me show you again. Once you have built that your project, after that you will be see this is the status of your project. So it is showing here succeed and console output. If you want to go on the console output, that means the output of your commands. So click on this one and this is the console output. So started by user Nirmal. So actually this Nirmal, it is my name. I have set up as a user for this Jenkins. So that's why it is showing here user Nirmal. And I fire the command ls. The output is nothing, but once the second command was present to working directory, so output is this. There is a wire directory, lib directory, then a Jenkins directory, then workspace, and it is showing here my first demo project. Okay, so this is the actually now I ran two commands on shell. First one was ls. So you can see here in ls the output is nothing because there is no any files and test file or directory there in that particular path. That's why it's showing here nothing. But that a second command what I defined, what I did defined in that cell. So that is the output is my first demo project. If you want to see on our terminal, of course, you can verify as well. So let me take this path, and after finally you can see the finished study success. So our first demo project is successfully completed. Okay, so let me show you on terminal as well. Because however, all things what I am doing here on this Jenkins implementation in that implementation aspect, the execution are being performed on that server only. Okay, I'm doing from that Jenkins on a browser, but actually it is happening on this server. Okay, so let me go on this path. Because I copied this path. Okay, definitely now if I fire the command ls, so you guys able to see my first demo project. Okay, I hope you have understand. So the project which I created here from GUI interface on Jenkins, so this is actually which has been created on a server in this path, my first demo project. Okay guys, now let me create a second project on and keep this open path on this terminal here. Okay, so go on that this project and let me do the changes. Wait, we can do. I will create a second demo project. Okay, so click on the new item, second demo project. So actually now this is a name whatever you want to put here, but it will create a directory on the server. Okay, as I just shared with you. And let me take as a freestyle project, click on that. Okay. Description simply this is second project and again click take as a execute cell. And now friends, I will show you this time it is showing here my first demo project, my demo project. Okay, demo project, leave it because I was doing something before this session, and NEWP, leave it. Once I will build this second project from this Jenkins, so of course you will be able to see the output of ls, that is also this project. This is that is a second demo project. So right now what I will write down the command here in execution cell. This time I want to create a file as well, and I will verify either it is file is creating on the server or not, because it is like I'm doing execution, I'm creating a project, I'm doing some work from a Jenkins tool on a browser, but actually it is happening on the server. Again, I'm telling you. So touch file.txt. It will create a file actually. That's it. This is the second demo project. Okay, apply and save. And build now. Guys, you see that here it is showing again success. So click on here and let me see the console output. So you see it is successfully finished. Now let me do the verify on the server actually. Yes, as I told you, once Now the output of the ls, it is showing a second demo project, but this is a directory actually. So let me access this directory, second demo project. Too many arguments with this. This problem with this. What is the problem? Second demo project. Actually, I was just taking a second demo project, but here you can see it is closed in inverted comma. So I need to take the complete directory name. Now you can see I am inside a second demo project. So as you know, I have created a one file name file.txt. So let me check either is it showing here on this server ls. You can see guys here file.txt already has been created. So this is what friends in demo project I shared with you, that actually I am working on a Jenkins tool on a browser in means I'm doing a build a job, you can say simply project, but not use SCM, that source code management, but happening it is creating on actually the server, working on a Jenkins, building a job, but creating on the server actually. So this is what friends I shared with you. So guys, I hope you have a understanding that about the demo project, and of course you should try that firstly installation Jenkins of a server, then you can try here. I just shared with you three commands. You can try multiple commands like file creation, copy file, and uh, directory creation, directory deletion. Let me show you one more thing. Go on again Jenkins and dashboard and second demo project. This time I need to some changes. Click on that configure, and I am doing one mistake. I am going to do one mistake. It is known for me. Touch, instead of touch, I will write down here TOUSC, and file name is file1.txt. Let me share with you. Let me show with you. It will not run because there is some error. So what will be the output? Okay, because the touch TOUCH, but I did change like TOUSC. Apply and save, and let me build now this job. Definitely it will not run. Yes, you can see here it is failed. Once you click here, so it is showing here that finished, it is failure not found. So it is telling this command is not found. Okay guys, it was just for you that what will be the, if you did some mistake, if you did some command error, so it will be the this, it will be the output like this. Okay, okay guys, and please यार दोस्तों लाइक करो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो अगर अभी तक नहीं किया हो. जिससे अपनी की एनर्जी के बूस्टर हो आप लोग। ओके, बाय एंड टेक केयर, एंजॉय दिस सेशन एंड कीप लर्निंग।